So we should very strictly take this up, not get deluded by all the wrong misinterpretations being put forth by the asuras in order to enjoy their senses of the Vedas. They will describe all sorts of things. They will say this is Karma Yoga, that is this. Hinduism is all about, the Vedas are all about pantheism. There is no single god in Hinduism. Whomever you want, you can worship. All these kind of misinterpretations they will give. Actually, the Vedas, the Vedic civilization, the Sanatana Dharma is monotheistic. There is only one supreme Lord, and that is Vishnu. Rest are all devatas. They are not Bhagavans. Our Sanatana Dharma doesn't talk of 33 crore Bhagavans. It talks of 33 crore devatas. There is a difference between devata and Bhagavan. Bhagavan is only one, and that is Vishnu. This is clearly told in all the Vedic scriptures. But in Kali Yuga, because the asuras want to enjoy, and if they accept Vishnu as a supreme Lord, then you have to perform yajnas, you have to do so many tapasya, all those things you have to do. So they say, all 33 crore are gods, you are also God. So you can do whatever you want. And so enjoy your senses, and that is the Leela of God. You are suffering, you get cancer and you are suffering, that is your Leela. That is what one class of Mayavadis, this is what they say. They have one very big hospital, one Mayavadi organization. They have a very big hospital, and every year they publish their annual report because they have a lot of supporters. They have a lot of donors. And somebody came and gave me this annual report, and I was going through, just trying to understand how they have made their annual report and what are their activities and all that. And in one page, they are showing all the activities in the hospital and how the so-called sannyasis of their group, they are coming and they are saying Daridra Narayana Seva. They are feeding some poor people. And then in the hospital, in the bed, one guy is lying. Face is all bandaged, hand is bandaged, some, I don't know, some operation or some accident case. And he's lying on the bed, and one sannyasi is standing in front of him and doing one arati. Rogi Narayana Puja. I was like, my God, what level these guys are going? And you go and talk to them, they'll tell that getting the disease and being in the hospital is his Leela. And once he knows that he's God, he'll come out of that and he will enjoy that being out of that distress condition. This is their understanding. Suffering, so like Srila Prabhupada gave a very wonderful refutation to this logic, that you are God. So why have you fallen into this miserable condition? So that I can enjoy being liberated out of this miserable condition. That is their explanation for the Mayavadi explanation for why the Brahman has become conditioned. So Prabhupada said, okay, if that is the case, you come, you lie down, I'll kick you. And you enjoy that, because you can enjoy, when I stop kicking, you can enjoy my stopping of kicking. So this is the kind of logic they give. That I have taken on a material body and I'm undergoing suffering so that I can enjoy being released from this. So come, I will nicely punch you so that you can enjoy that once I stop punching, you can enjoy not being punched. Is that any kind of logic? Will that logic sell to anyone? That I go to my friend and I tell him, see, I want to see you very happy. So what I will do, I'll start punching you so that when I stop punching, you will become very happy. That is all. The friend will punch you back. Nobody is going to take the lying down. But this is the logic they give. That you are also God. Now in illusion, you are thinking you are separate and all that. So when you get liberated from this material condition, to enjoy that liberation, you as God have taken this Rogi position, or Daridra Narayana you become, or Rogi Narayana, etc. These are all crazy, this one kind of logics that people give so that people can enjoy their senses in this material world. So you go and eat meat. What is that eating meat? So how can you eat meat? You are being so cruel to the animals. You are cutting them and eating. No. That goat Brahman is uniting with man Brahman. That's all. This is the logic they give. So somebody came and gave this logic to Prabhupada. Prabhupada, they are telling like this, so we don't know what to tell. See, these asuras are very good at giving different kinds of logic and tarka, So Prabhupada said, why man Brahman has to unite only with goat Brahman? Why don't you as man Brahman go and unite with tiger Brahman? No. So over, your logic is finished. So like this, the Mayavadis give all sorts of wrong interpretations to impel the people more and more, to encourage people more and more in their sense gratification. We should not get carried away by all this crazy logic. If we have to understand that real life is to restrain our senses, execute Krishna consciousness, and in Kali Yuga especially, we have to follow the path of Bhakti Yoga, and we have to perfect our life and go back to Godhead.